Hello, I'm Tom, and I'm here to welcome you to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Irish soda bread. Hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, the recipe calls for 4 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. And calls for 1 teaspoon salt. I always like to add the dry ingredients first before you add the wet ingredients. So it gets mixed up better. If you don't know, soda bread does not use yeast as a leavening. It uses baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda, this recipe will make 1 loaf. And traditionally it would just be this, the dry ingredients, and buttermilk. But I'm also adding some herbs in it. I got rosemary, thyme, sage, and a little peppermint. A little variation. Get it all mixed up. And we got buttermilk right here. It's gonna be 1 3/4 cup. Seem to have misplaced my cup measure, so go. One and a half cup. One 3/4 cup. Mix this up. Now we're gonna get the best part. That's just a stove. Let me know that the oven's preheated to 425. You don't want to knead this too much. I'm going to add just a little bit more, not much. Yeah. Transform it into a ball. Yeah. Not doing too well here. right back. Here we got this nice little ball. We're gonna turn it onto a little slightly floured area. This one. We only need it a couple of times just to get it into shape. We'll form it into a ball. Yep. We'll let it rest there for just a second while we get the. We'll let it sit there for a couple seconds while we get the baking pan ready. Take a pie pan. Get a little bit of oil. Yeah, just a little more than the. What we're doing here is greasing the pan so it makes it a little easier to pull the bread out. Make sure you dump out the excess oil. Take a little bit of flour. Dump out the excess flour. Transfer this to the pan, like so. You're going to take a knife, put an X in it. Alright, and we're going to pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes. We'll see you in 25 minutes. Alright, here's the finished product. Yes, it naturally looks like that. Just pop it out of the pan. Pops out like that. We'll cut this open and have a taste. See you in a minute. Welcome back. We got bread right here. For those that's never had soda bread, the outside is crusty, but the inner side is very nice and soft. Very good. Pleasantly surprised. That was the first time I've ever made soda bread. And if you like this video or any of my others, feel free to subscribe. I'll put a little box down here to click on. And check out my other videos. There'll be 2 up here somewhere to links to them. Thank you, and have a great night.